Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dhanisthamitra and this is my first YouTube video. So for this video, I have created this look right here. This look I have created this year for Eid. So yes, if you like this video, then give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. That would mean everything to me. And yes, without any further ado, if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching.
For eyebrows, I'm going to use this drawing eyebrow pencil from Etude House in the shade grey brown. This gives a very natural finish, so I'm using this pencil for this look. Also, I'm going to give all the product links in the description box. For cleaning my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in the shade light moen, and I'm going to use this concealer as a base for my eyeshadow. Since this is a concealer, so I have to set it with a compact, so I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade light beige. Next, I am going to use this Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and I am going to take this shade as my transition. I am going to put that shade on the outer corner of my eyes and I am going to start blending it in. Next step, I am going to use this purpley pinky shade on my eyes. I am going to place it on the outer corner of my eyes and I am going to start blending it in the same place. Then I'm going to take the same shade and I'm going to place it in the inner corner of my eyes and I will softly blend it out over there. I will now blend the harsh edges with a fluffy brush. Next, I'm going to use this Tropical Carnival palette from Makeup Revolution. Next, I'm going to use this reddish copper shade which is named Spiced Rum and I'm going to put it on the middle part of my lid. Next, I'm going to take a small brush and I'm going to softly blend out the edges. Now I'm going to take this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow in the shade Champagne and I'm going to take the excess on the back of my hand and I'm going to gently pat it on the middle part of my eyelid where I have put that reddish copper shade. Once I'm done with the glitter, I'm going to move on and do my other eye. Now I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water and I'm going to spritz it on all over my face except my eyes and I'm going to tap it gently on my face. Next, I'm going to use this Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay Foundation in the shade Golden which is 312 and I'm going to dot it on my face. And now I'm going to blend it out. Now next, I'm going to use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and I'm going to take it on a flat concealer brush. I'm going to put it on the inner corner and outer corner of my eyes. Also, I'm going to put it on my chin, above my jawline and also on the bridge of my nose and forehead. Next, I'm going to blend the concealer out. Now again, I'm going to take that Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade light beige and I'm going to set my under eyes. Also, I will set my smile lines and the places where I tend to crease. Since my skin is extremely dry, I will not use excess powder and also I will skip baking or anything as such. Next, I'm going to use this purpley pink shade from the Wet n Wild palette and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. Now taking this brown shade, I'm going to blend it with the purple pink shade. Next, I'm going to use this bronzer from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Woody Wonder and I'm going to bronze my face. This is a pretty light shade for my skin tone, so I can build it up as much as I want. Also, I'm going to use the bronzer on my jawline. Now I'm going to use this blush Mistral of Milan from Vestige in the shade Sun-Kissed and I'm going to put it on my cheeks. Next, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Melaglow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals and I'm going to use it on the highest point of my face where light hits my face directly. Also, I'm using a very small brush, I'm not using a fluffy brush. Next, I'm going to use this eyeliner from Faces Canada. This is the magnetized, and I'm going to make a wing eyeliner. Also, I'm going to tightline my upper lid with the kajal from Faces Canada in the variant Magnetize. Now I'm going to use this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, and I'm going to generously coat my eyelashes because I'm not going to use any falsies today. Now I'm going to use this lipstick from Maybelline New York in the shade Nude Nuance, and the shade number is 657. This is a very pretty nude shade and it suits medium to deeper skin tones as well. Now this is an optional step. I'm using this lip gloss from Miss Claire. This is a transparent lip gloss. You can also use Vaseline or any other lip balm in place of this lip gloss. Also, if you want to keep the look matte, you can just skip this step. And yes, with that we finished this video. If you like this video, then give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. That would mean everything to me. I will post new video every week. So I'm going to see you all next week. Till then,